Make 21 cents for every click with CPA marketing and Google Translate. Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can find high-paying CPA offers and also how you can easily promote those CPA offers even if you are absolute beginner, and also I'm going to show you how you can get free traffic for CPA marketing. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need to find trending videos. Now currently there are no trends, but what you can do is you can also find viral videos. So usually fail videos works the best because people for some reason like to watch other people's fails. So here in search bar I will simply search for fails. Okay, fails, and press enter. And here you can find fails videos. So what you need to do, you actually need to find videos that has lots of views, but also who has an eye-catchy, a clickbait thumbnail. That is really important. So for example, let's just say I wish to use this video here. Here you can see this video actually got 10 million views in just 1 month. So what I need to do, I need to right click here and I need to click here copy link, and then I need to go on this website here and I need to paste that link here and press enter. Okay, and here you can see they already got me this thumbnail. So what I need to do, I actually need to download this thumbnail. So just click here on download and right click here, save image as, and save this image to my desktop. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to edit this thumbnail a bit. So I will go here on Canva. You can register for a free account on Canva. And I need to upload this image. So just click here on uploads, click here on upload file and upload this image. So let me just find this image. This is the image, and give it a few seconds to actually upload this image. And as you can see, it uploaded this image. So I will just make this image fit to my template. Okay, and now I actually need to edit this. So I will simply go here on elements and here I will search for red arrow. Okay, red arrow, and here you can find the red arrows. So let me just click here on see all. So let's just say for example I will use this arrow here and I'm going to move that here. Okay, something like this, and here I will change the color to be the same, and let me just actually choose this color here, a bit more bright. Now purpose of this arrow here is actually just to make this image even more clickbaity. There is nothing here. Okay, this arrow only need to make this image to be even more clickbaity. That is really important. So what I need to do, I simply need to click here on share and then click here on download, choose PNG and click here on download again and download this image to my desktop. Now next thing I need to do, I actually need to create a content locker, a file locker. Now for that I'm going to use CpaGrip, but you can use any other CPA affiliate network that you want. And here I need to click here, create a URL locker. Scroll here, agree to the terms of condition, click here on continue, and now I need to create a content locker. So what I need to do, I simply need to go back here and again same thing, right click here, copy link, go back here on CpaGrip, and then here where it says locked URL, I need to paste that link. Okay, and then what I need to do, I simply need to click here on show offer manager, and here I need to choose a country, and here I will choose Germany. Okay, Germany, and here you can find the Germany offers. Here you can see you can earn 21 cents on average for every click for this offer here, and it is email submit, which means it is really easy to promote because people will easily submit their emails, because most of them, to be honest, actually use fake emails for this kind of stuff. So what I need to do, I simply need to click here, and now what I need to do, I simply need to click here on hide offer manager, and all I have to do now is just click here on save, give it a second, and this is the URL locker. So what I need to do, I simply need to click here get links and then click here copy link, and then I need to paste that link here because I'm going to need that link later. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to make a bridge page because many companies, many websites, they actually don't like CPA marketing. Now for that I'm going to use Google Sites because Google Sites is 100% free. So I will simply go here, okay, and create a new website. So what I need to do, I actually need to give it a title. So for that I will actually go here on Google Translate, and then here I will say funny fails. Okay, and here you can see how this looks on German. So I will copy German version, okay, Control C, and I will simply paste that here. And actually I'm going to make this to be bold, for example, just like this. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to again go back here on Google Translate, and then here I need to say watch the video below. And again, I am going to copy German version, Control C, and I will go back here, and then I need to double click here. And actually I'm going to make this to be a bit larger, something like, for example, let's just say 14, and to be bold, and I'm actually going to make this to be on center, something like this. Now next thing I need to do, I actually need to click here on images, and then I need to click here on upload, and I need to upload the image that I edited in Canva. This is the image, and here I will actually make this image to be larger, something like this, okay? Something like this. And then what I need to do, I need to copy the link to my CpaGrip content locker, and I need to click here on this image, and then click here on this little chain and paste that link here, click here on apply, and that's it. I created a content locker. All I have to do now is just click here on publish and publish this page. So let me just click here on preview. Here you can see how this looks, okay? And I actually need to make this to be a bit larger, and here you can change the image of the background in the header. So let me just close this, and I actually make this to be a bit larger. Let's just say, for example, 30, okay? Something like this. Now this is actually better. So like I said, all you have to do is just click here on publish, and that's it, you published this. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to start promoting your bridge page in order to start getting as much traffic, as much free traffic as you can. Now for that, we are actually going to use Facebook. So I will simply go here on Google Translate again, and so here I will simply type funny. Okay, and here you can see Lustig. So I need to search here on Facebook Lustig, okay? So let me just click here Lustig, and I will simply press here and then press here on groups, and here you can find lots of funny groups in Germany on German language. So what you need to do is simply need to join these groups, and you need to start sharing your post. Here you can see, so what you can do is you can simply go back here again on Google Translate, and you can say something like this: this video make me laugh so hard, check it out. And you need to copy German version, and you need to go back here on Facebook, you need to paste that here, and you need to paste a link to your bridge page where you actually have your content locker, and you need to share that here on Facebook, then click here on post, and that's it. And then just go back here and share that same post in all of these groups here, and you will start getting traffic. Now people in Germany, they didn't actually use to CPA offers, and it is much easier to promote CPA offers in Germany than in the United States, Canada or Australia, where the market is oversaturated. In Germany it is still not oversaturated, so you can still make money with CPA marketing and CpaGrip content locker. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.